Good morning, everyone. I'm Leonardo Albasini, and I worked with Andrea del Bianco at this, our poster is about the conservation treatment and the protective mounting of an artwork by Stefano Argenti, and is a polyptych composed of 5 sheets of tissue paper, very thin tissue paper, and added with the translucent silicone
It's a very short presentation.
But
I'm Andrea Del Bianco, and I collaborate with Leonardo Albasini, but also with Flavio Salvatorelli into different conservation project, made with the support very different because it's a tissue paper, as Leonardo said, and the other is a paper board, and the mechanical behavior is very different, and we need to treat in a specific way. But I let to introduce Flavio the other work.
Okay, thank you. And I guess we can meet you in front of your poster to answer any questions if people have questions.
yeah, of course, of course.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I see this is you too. Would you like to say something, or now you have the chance? You did that. Okay, then we continue. Wow. Or maybe not. Yes, we are. Okay, next one.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline SCHORN. I'm a former student of the Academy of Fine Arts, Vienna. My poster, A Multi-Layered Story, is about the Czech artist Adriana Shimotova and her tissue paper work, Doublehead, from 1987. I focused on a reenactment of the making process, which helped me understand the artwork and also informed my conservation decisions. Yeah, I'd be happy to tell you more during the poster session and answer any questions. Thanks.
Thank you. And this is our next one.
So hello, my name is SAWAKO SENTOKU. Our research focuses on the fixation mechanism of the blue colorant on the paper fibers of cyanotypes. So cyanotypes are known to be sensitive to many treatments. So in order to choose which treatments are possible, the mechanism is very important on how the blue colorants are fixed onto the paper fibers. So we examined whether the fixation is physical or chemical using X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy analysis, and also by by preparing cyanotypes on different textile substrates. So we will be waiting at the poster. Thank you.
Good morning, we are Ilaria Camerini and ELIANA dal Sasso, and we are working as paper conservator at the Archivio di Stato di Rieti.
And yes, our poster talks about how the role of conservator changed in Italy over time, and yeah, if you are interested, we would be glad to answer to your question and come to see our poster. It's number 20.
Thank you. Hi, my name is MARLEN BÖRNGEN, and together with MAIKE, LINDEN and ANDREA PATAKI-HUNDT, we did a project called Jigsaw Teaching in Conservation Restoration, where we produced 27 video tutorials, which are available in German and English on YouTube on conservation methods. And I don't want to talk that much because I wanted to show you the trailer, but maybe after the lunch break we can show it. So I'm tomorrow at stand 19. So if there's also a QR code, you can scan and you can see the YouTube tutorials.
Okay, and I was told there was one more who doesn't have a slide. Is that yes over there? So one more.
Good morning, everyone. We are Melissa Gianferrari and Chiara Zironi, and we are here to present our poster on a large format artwork by Luigi Ghirri, Infinito, from 1979, composed of 365 C-prints mounted on 12 cardboard panels. These C-prints show very different states of color fading, despite having always shared the same conservation environment. This gave us the opportunity to investigate the phenomenon, even though no one actually knows what the work originally looked like in 1979, as there are no photographs from that time. The only available images are diapo from a photographic campaign in 1992, when this degradation was not yet so evident. Thank you, everyone.